Do you hear ringing in your ears with no sound around? Let's fix tinnitus naturally with TCM acupressure. Here are 3 powerful acupressure points to help calm the ringing. Point 1. Sanjiao 17, Yifang IO 17. Defan, located just behind your earlobe, in the hollow between your jaw and skull. Massage this point gently for 1 minute to ease ear pressure and ringing. Point 2. Gallbladder 2. Tinghui, found right in front of your ear canal, where the jaw opens. Press softly while opening your mouth. Repeat for 1 minute. Point 3. Kidney 3. Taxi, located inside your ankle, between the ankle bone and Achilles tendon. This point nourishes kidney energy, which supports hearing. Massage both sides for 2 minutes. In color therapy, apply violet color in both hands, small finger pitta joint. Bonus tip: do deep breathing and avoid loud environments for faster healing.